Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on ultra power saving on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is slide down from top to bottom. And okay guys, after that, okay, you can see the ultra power. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the ultra power. And okay guys, after you tap the ultra power, okay, the phone is automatically on the ultra power saving mode. And okay guys, if you turn off the ultra power saving mode on your itel S15, okay, you'll have to do is tap the quit on the lower right side on your screen. And okay guys, the pop-up are show, and now are you sure to quit ultra power saving mode? And okay guys, tap the OK to turn off the ultra power saving on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on the ultra power saving on your itel S15 mobile phone. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.